Today we'll start. Today we'll start with chapter number 9, differential equation, lecture number 6. Here we'll talk about the linear differential equation. So in linear differential equation we'll have two parts. First form of linear differential equation is dy by dx plus py is equivalent to q, where p and q are the constant functions or function in terms of x only. So whenever I am getting this kind of form, do remember p and q are functions of x only or the constant term. After this, once I'll get to know that this form I am getting, in the next step we'll calculate the integrating factor. So whenever we're calculating the integrating factor, you need to remember this formula, and the final solution is this, which again you need to remember so that we can proceed with the answer. Either they can tell you that you need to calculate the general solution or the particular solution. Similarly, if I'll talk about the second form is dx upon dy. P1 and q1 are some constants or the function of y only. Formula for integrating factor, the only difference between the integrating factor is here integrate with respect to dx, here integrate with respect to dy, because in the denominator I am having dy. Similarly, if I talk about the first solution, in this solution replace x with y, rest everything is same. So replace x with y, rest everything, the formula of solution will remain the same. Now come to the example. If I'll take question number 1, exercise 9.6, this is your first form, dy by dx plus py, which is equivalent to q. So which is of the form dy by dx plus py, which is equivalent to q. So where p is what? P is 2 and q is sin x. I told you that p and q can be constant or the function of x only. So this is done. Now calculate the integrating factor. Integrating factor formula is this. So p is 2 dx. So e raised to the power integration of 2x. So this is your integrating factor. So if I'll talk about solution is y into integrating factor into q into integrating factor dx plus c. So y into e raised to the power 2x. Then I am getting q is sin x, e raised to the power 2x. Now you need to integrate with respect to, now calculate this. Consider what I can do. I can apply the by parts. So if I want to apply by parts, first function, second function. First function, consider I. First function same. Integration of second function minus differentiation of first function, e raised to the power 2x upon 1 by 2 dx. Again apply by parts. I sin x e raised to the power 2x upon 2 minus 1 by 2, and what I am getting, first function same, integration of second function minus cos x will become minus sin x, so this will become sin x, and this is again your same question. So what do you need to do? This will become I, then I, okay, so this will become e raised to the power 2x sin x upon 2 minus 1 by 2. So I am getting cos x e raised to the power 2x by 2, and this will become, okay, if I will go directly, this will become cos x e raised to the power 2x upon 4, and this will become e raised to the power 2x, this 1 by 2 I have not written, and this will become minus 1 by 4 sin x e raised to the power 2x dx. Now this is your I. So if I'll talk about these terms, e raised to the power 2x sin x by 2, this is minus cos x e raised to the power 2x by 4 minus I by 4. So I plus I by 4 if I'll take e raised to the power 2x common, and okay, if I'll take LCM first, so what I'm getting, this I'm getting, and this is e raised to the power 2x cos x. So I'm getting 5i by 4, and this is e raised to the power 2x 2 sin x minus cos x. So finally I will be getting e raised to the power 2x upon 5 2 sin x minus cos x. So therefore final solution, so this is your general solution, y e raised to the power 2x, and this will become e raised to the power 2x upon 5 2 sin x minus cos x plus c. So this is your final journal solution. Now come to the second question. In question number second, they will be giving you dy by dx plus 3y e raised to the power minus 2x, which is again of the form dy by dx plus py, which is equivalent to q. So where p is 3, constant or function of x is applicable, so this is also valid. So integrating factor e raised to the power p dx. So what we need to do, e raised to the power 3 dx. So I am getting e raised to the power 3x. Solution, y into integrating factor whole of integral q into integrating factor dx plus c. So y is what? Y will remain same, e raised to the power 3x, and this is q is what? Q is e raised to the power minus 2x into e raised to the power 3x dx plus c. Base same, power add, e raised to the power 3x, this will become ex dx plus c. So I am getting y e raised to the power 3x, integration will become this plus c. So this will be your journal solution. Okay, come to the question number 4. In question number 4 we'll have dy by dx. Till now I am getting the first form xy. So that means this can be written like this, tan of x. So again this is of the form dy by dx plus py is equivalent to q. So p is secant of x, q is function of x or constant. So this is valid. Integrating factor e raised to the power p dx. So this is e raised to the power secant x dx. So this will become e raised to the power log of secant x plus 10x. Do remember, e raised to the power log of fx is always equivalent to fx. So what will be your final answer? This will become secant x plus 10x is your integrating factor. So if I talk about solution, y into integrating factor, q into integrating factor dx plus c. So y secant x plus tan x, q is 10x secant x plus 10x dx plus c. So y secant x plus 10x, and this is secant x 10x dx, then 10 square dx plus c. So secant 10x will be easy to solve. So I am getting, this will become secant x, and for this can I do secant square x, this can be written as this. So now it's easy for the integration part. So final answer you will be getting as y of secant x plus 10x, and this is secant x plus 10x minus x plus c. Okay, come to the question number Fifth and sixth are also easy. Now come to the question number 7. In question number 7, we'll have x of log x dy by dx, and this is plus y 2 upon x log x. So firstly convert it into dy by dx. Okay, if I will divide the whole equation with x log x, so what I am getting, this will become dy by dx, and this is y upon x log x, and this is 2 upon x log x upon x log x. So this will become cancel out. So dy by dx plus py. So this will become p, and this is y is equivalent to q. So this will become 2 upon x square. So which is of the form dy by dx plus py is equivalent to q. So p is 1 upon x log x, q is function of x only, 2 upon x square. Integrating factor e raised to the power p dx. So e raised to the power 1 upon x log x dx. So take t as log x, dt is 1 upon x dx. So what I am getting, e, this is 1 upon t dt, because log x I have taken t, and then will become dt. So e log of t. So final answer is t log into function. So t is what? T is log x. So this is your integrating factor. So therefore general solution is y into integrating factor whole of integral q into integrating factor plus c. So y into log x, q is what? Q is 2 upon x square into log x dx plus c. So y log x and 2 will be out. Okay, if I want to do eyelet, first function, second function, dx plus c. So y log x twice of first function same, integration of second function. So this, if I want to do 1 upon x square, this is x raised to the power minus 2. So I am finally getting as minus 1 upon x minus differentiation of log x into minus 1 by x dx. So finally what I am getting, I will be getting twice of this will become minus log x upon x, and this will become 1 upon x square dx plus c. So I am getting minus, this is 2, and this is minus log x upon x. After integration I am getting this. So I will be getting minus 2, I am taking common, x I am taking common, 1 plus log x plus c y log x. So your final answer will be this. So this is your general solution. Now come to the next question. In question number 8, again calculate the general solution. 1 plus x square dy plus 2xy dx cot x dx. So what we need to do? 1 plus x square dy minus 2xy dx plus cot x dx. Okay, if I talk about 1 plus x square dy, and this is minus 2xy plus cot x. Okay, instead of 1 plus x square dy, 2xy dx, cot x dx. So what I have done, I have written like this. Okay, if I'll write dy by dx, so basically minus 2xy plus cot x upon 1 plus x square. Okay, if I am writing like this, dy by dx, and now what you need to do, minus 2x upon 1 plus x square y plus cot x upon 1 plus x square. So dy by dx plus p y is equivalent to q. So this is your p and this is your q. So integrating factor will be e raised to the power p dx, e raised to the power 2x upon 1 plus x square dx. So take t as 1 plus x square, dt as 2x dx. So I am getting e raised to the power dt upon t, e raised to the power log t. So e log of 1 plus x square. So 1 plus x square is your integrating factor. So general solution, y into integrating factor, q into integrating factor dx plus c. So y into 1 plus x square, and this is q is what? Q is cot x 1 plus x square into 1 plus x square dx plus c. So this will become cancel out. Y plus 1 plus x square integration of cot x dx plus c. So y into 1 plus x square cot x, sorry, now we can do the integration. This is log of sin x plus c. So this is your final general solution.